Materials needed: digital scale, scissors, polarity tester, label paper. Before connecting the power cord, please use a testing device to check. Place the machine in a suitable location indoors, ensuring there is sufficient space for heat dissipation and for opening the door. Avoid direct sunlight. Secure the forecasters to prevent the machine from moving. Remove the emergency lock key from the top of the machine. Insert it into the emergency lock slot at the bottom left of the machine and push it upward to open it. The machine door is now open. Remove the material box and check the list. Remove all packaging and securing materials from inside the machine. Push the cup dropping module back to its initial position. Unplug the power cord. Insert the SIM card. Check that the paper cups are dry and not misshapen, and make sure they separate easily. Place the paper cups one by one into the cup. Guide and load them into the cup holder. The latch on the cup lid holder. Place the prepared cup lids. Close the dust cover. Test whether the cup lid raises and lowers automatically. Remove the antenna cover. Connect the two antennas to the antenna ports. Before loading the powder, make sure the front and rear nuts on the hopper are securely tightened. Rotate the dispensing nozzle so that it faces upward. Place the powder cartridge into the corresponding material compartment. Before installing the feed tray, please ensure that the front and rear nuts are securely tightened. Please check and adjust the angle between the gear and the spindle to allow the trays to align. Snap the tray legs into the slots. Adjust the discharge nozzle to a downward angle. Label the corresponding bins to avoid confusion. First water supply method, downward pumping. Set the switch to pump down. Then insert the suction tube into the bucket, making sure the metal tip touches the bottom of the bucket. Make sure the water hose is not kinked. The second water supply method, tap water. Set the switch to tap water. This hose is designed to connect to a 2-inch water supply pipe. Hold down the latch and pull out the plug. Insert the tap water branch pipe into the inlet. Place the waste bucket under the drain pipe. Insert the two drain hoses into the drain bucket. When starting the machine for the first time, or resuming use after a prolonged period of inactivity, please remove the plugs from the two drain pipes and place them in the waste bucket. Connect the power cord. Flip the power switch and the cooling switch on, one after the other. Wait until the flow of water from the two drain pipes has stabilized, then replace the plugs and covers. For 5 seconds to access settings, click Functionality Test at the top. Scroll down and find the Followers Collection section. Click to collapse the powder tray. Check whether the powder collection tray has shrunk. Select Raw Material Calibration Interface. Select the raw material to be tested. Click to calibrate. Set the discharge time to 5 seconds. Select the desired discharge weight. Click to start the test. The powder dispenser will continue to dispense powder for 5 seconds. Take an empty cup and place it on the digital scale. Weigh it. Take a paper cup containing the powder. Weigh it. Click to unlock. Open the front door. Select any category to test. Click Confirm. Click Free Payment. Check whether all functions in the control room are operating normally.